Hi, this is Sam with Canon Coffee Espresso Machines, and today we're testing this Delonghi Magnifica Espresso Machine. It had a leaking valve and manifold assembly, and you can see how water was leaking all over it due to the extensive corrosion and rust on the valve. So we replaced it, and now there's no longer a leak. So let's go ahead and test the machine. So it made a nice shot of espresso. Let's do some steam. And the machine steams well. And we can just look around the machine. You can see there's no leaks in the back. So thank you for repairing with Canon Coffee. Please like us below, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel.